Students, good morning. This is a question number 2, exercise 7C. So what is important in this question you have to keep in mind, because this question is related to the indices. But if you see numerator, so this is a expression 3 into 9 to the power n plus 1 minus 9 into 3 to the power 2n upon 3 into 3 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 9 to the power n plus 1. In such types of question, what you have to do, because we know three rules of related to the indices: product law, quotient law, and if the bases are same, they are attached with the equal sign, then the power will be equal. So how will you convert? The main point is you have to keep in mind that how will you convert the numerator and denominator in such a way that you can apply those laws. Okay, so what I am doing here, if there is a expression, 100% you have to take the common factor. So what we are doing in the numerator, if you see here, we are taking 3 into 9 to the power n plus 1 and 9 into 3 to the power 2n. So as I told you, a smaller value, 3 is a smaller one in these two terms. If you see the numerator, so convert 9 into smaller one, as I told you in the previous exercise in 7th A, in 7th B. Okay, so 3 into 3 square to the power n plus 1 minus 3 square into 3 to the power 2n. In the same way, into the denominator, 9 will be changed as a 3 square. Okay, every number now is in 3. The base is 3. So how can we convert expression into the same basis? So that's why I am saying regularly to you that change into the smaller one. So every numerator and denominator, if you see, 3 is there. So now see here in the second line, 3 into 3 square. Okay, so these 3 and this 3, these are the bases. If the bases are same, then the power will be added. You are seeing here, power has been added, 3 to the power 1 plus 2n plus 2. In the same way here, see, 3 is base, 3 is base. So 3 to the power 2 plus 2n, the power will be added, power is 2 and 2n. In the same way, into the denominator, if you see, 3 base is here, 3 base is here, and they are attached with the multiplication sign. The first law, product law, then the power will be added. Look at this point. Okay, so this way means what I am saying, you have to, if expression is there, 100% you have to take the common factor and change, means you think how all the bases will be same. So the bigger number can be converted into the smaller one. Okay, this way. See here, see this step. So what is happening in this step? We are taking 3 to the power 2n, and in the denominator we are taking 3 to the power 2n. So you are getting value 3 cube minus 3 square, 3 to the power 4 minus 3 square. So this and this will be cancelled out. Okay, now question will be solved. Clear? Thank you.